Atoms are incredibly small, so imagine trying to weigh one. What we are going to do in this lesson is to try to find out the relative formula mass of water. You see this water molecule? It's made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So the formula of a water molecule is H2O. So the question here is, what is the relative formula mass of water? Try to solve this on your own from the previous lessons. So we are going to solve this step by step. The relative formula mass is the sum of the relative atomic masses as shown in a chemical formula. What does that mean? Water has a formula of H2O, and the relative formula mass is the sum of these atoms that make up the water molecule. So it's the sum of the relative atomic mass of the 2 hydrogen atoms and the relative atomic mass of the oxygen atom. Given that the relative atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1 and the relative atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16. Well, that should make everything easier. The answer is in the definition of relative formula mass. So after reading the question very well and grasping the given numbers, the given relative atomic masses, we are going to add them up. We have 2 hydrogen atoms in the molecule of water. It's H2O. Therefore, there are 2 hydrogen atoms in this molecule. So the total relative atomic mass of hydrogen in the water molecule is 2 times the relative atomic mass of 1 hydrogen. That is 2 times 1. But we still have to find out the relative atomic mass of oxygen. It's given 16, and we have 1 oxygen atom. So that is 1 times 16, which is 16. We add them up, and the answer is 18. So the relative formula mass of water is 18. Water is one of the simplest molecules, and these steps can be applied to any of the more complex molecules.